Right now we have completely fitted the engine and the engine bay. Everything is bolt up and the suspension is also done. Just need to put the tires over to its places, and over here also is done. And right now we are going to install this complete radiator set. So after bolting up this, then we have to connect the hose pipes and the AC pipes, and then we will proceed to interior.
So the work done till now in this Volkswagen Virtus is that we have finally assembled the complete engine bay, as you can see, and now it's finally running also. We had a minor issue over the ECU, so we have finally resolved that issue by reprogramming all the modules in this vehicle, so that the transmission is also reprogrammed so that it could match the engine. And the vehicle is done and ready for the body shop work. Now we have just temporarily fitted all the exterior parts. This bonnet have been just temporarily installed, and this headlight and bumper which is just hanging over there, it is just for the looks, so that it doesn't look bad at the road. And in the interior, the only front one seat has been installed because it will get dirty over the body shop. And in interior, the two displays have been installed for the ECUs to work properly, because these two only give the all signals over the ECU. And the main reason why we have installed the engine is that we have to check the sunroof, that is it working or not, because it has a minor dent over there on the top. So we have to completely replace this sunroof. And as you can see, this sunroof is working completely properly, like this. It is working completely properly, and our money is worth because this is working properly. And that's it for the interior and exterior. Now you are going to see the vehicle after the body shop work when it's finally painted. The reason why videos are getting delayed are because the Audi A4 is at the mechanic shop because it has a minor issue with its engine, and the Volvo is also at the body shop so that it's is getting its painting work done. And this is also going for the painting, and hopefully in the next few weeks the Volvo video will also be uploaded. So hope you like this type of content. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and do follow us on Instagram for regular and inside speaks. So thanks for watching.